The first picture of the Earth. The first picture of the Earth taken by humans was taken by the crew of Apollo 8 flying behind the moon.
For all the people back on Earth, the crew of Apollo 8 has a message that we would like to send to you.
Bill Anders on board said, "I thought we were going to explore the moon, and the most important thing we discover is the Earth." As a child, I was dreaming for real at night that I was flying in space, and during the day as something I want to do sometimes in my life. When I flew in space for the first time, I told myself, yes, this is my child dream becoming true.
I'm Jean-François Clairvoy. I'm an astronaut born in France 60 years ago. We are here in the Pic de Midi de Bigorre, one of the most famous worldwide known observatory, which actually served the Apollo program because thanks to the telescope here, we could choose the best place to land man on the moon. I flew 3 times in space on board the Atlantis and Discovery for different missions for about 28 days altogether.
We call overview effect this very strong experience of astronauts watching the Earth from space. I have now in me that experience forever, and I can tell the story as if it was yesterday. An astronaut is an operator of complex machines in extreme environment. We go to operate machines, but we feel naturally responsible to act as ambassador of Earth after we have flown in space. And our role as ambassadors is to explain to the people on Earth that Earth is a spaceship.
Wow! Ça, c'est une bête de télescope. Télescope Bernard-Lyot, le TBL. The famous 2 mètres.
The first time I saw the Earth from space, it was during my first flight. Only a few minutes after takeoff, it takes only 8.5 minutes to get into orbit. I unstrap from my seat on the mid-deck. I look at France. Wow! The overview effect strikes you right away. It's sudden. My first impression of watching the Earth from space is, this is beautiful, this is alive, this is isolated. We see up to 2,500 kilometers away. So within few seconds, what you see is totally different from what you saw like half a minute before. It is beautiful. It is beautiful because the scene is very contrasted, it's colorful, and because it is so extraordinary and fascinating, you are moved to the point that you cry. And then I looked at the horizon because I wanted to see the atmosphere from a side. The atmosphere has the thickness of a sheet of paper. So this is when I realized that life is fragile.
The overview effect is the strongest experience to make people understand that we are unique in the universe. We, the Earth, and the life on Earth. And that's why we need to protect our planet, its environment, and the conditions that make life possible in a sustainable way.
We are all crew members of Spaceship Earth, not passengers. A passenger waits for people to take care of you, but a crew member has a responsibility in managing the spaceship.